Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Logitech G102 LIGHTSYNC Gaming Mouse. Let's quickly take a look at what information is available on the box itself. For instance, this particular mouse boasts a DPI, or rather a highest DPI of 8000, which is not bad for a gaming mouse. What other information is there? Okay, like I mentioned earlier, this particular mouse has a highest DPI of 8000, but it ranges from 200 to 8000. Basically, you'll have an extra button that will allow you to do that. It has full spectrum RGB lighting, has 6 customizable buttons, which is becoming more and more standard for most of your gaming mouse. And it's mentioned here, this particular mouse is designed for gaming purposes primarily. Now let's not waste any more time and take a look at what's inside this box. That's it. This is what the mouse looks like. It's a fairly standard looking mouse, but it is, end of the day, a gaming mouse. You have a USB-A connector, which means you can connect it to anything like laptop, PC, doesn't matter. It's a pretty long cable actually, almost 2 meters. 2.1 meters seems to be a standard mouse length, primarily for gaming mouse these days. Let's see how long it is. Well, definitely more than a meter long, that's for sure. And this is what the mouse looks like. This has a matte black finish, and there are 6 buttons as mentioned earlier. You have your standard left and right mouse button. You have two buttons on the side over here. You have the scroll wheel, which you can press as well for depending on the function and the game that you're playing. And this button right over here, controls your DPI setting, which means the lowest, I think, for this particular model, the lowest is 200 and the highest is 8000. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Logitech G102 LIGHTSYNC Gaming Mouse. Thank you for watching.